let's talk weather. Meteorologist Greg Fields. Greg, it's kind of just dreary and dark out there.
It's that. Yeah, we're going to have the cold temperatures out there to deal with for another day as well. So, yeah, the wintry weather sticking around, it looks like. And we've had the precip that we've been talking about as well.
Grapple.
So grapple. It's how you can grapple.
The grapple, guys. The grapple.
That is your new word that you have learned. Yes. All right. Weather-wise out there, we've seen that around this morning. A little sleet mixed in as well. Most of that will be transitioning over to what we have left to all rain, I think, as we go through or get into the afternoon as it works its way off to the east. It is going to stay cold. We've seen those embedded thunderstorms as well, especially a little farther south as we head down I-45. As you get over toward Palestine, you see the lightning strikes there. So we'll have some isolated thunderstorms in our southern counties. And we've seen one or two embedded storms in the Metroplex as well over the past couple of hours. This will continue to lift off to the northeast up toward Frisco and McKinney, picking up some rain over toward Justin as well. So we have seen the sleet mixed in, but you're starting to see that transition over to rain, a little less pink and purple showing up on radar here right now. So we'll have the cloudy skies otherwise, and it's cold. 38 degrees taking you out to Cedar Hill right now. Winds are light, only feels like it's 34, but you'll need to bundle up, stay that way as we go through the afternoon hours. 39 in Dallas right now, and 32 is what it feels like there. We'll have those upper 30s anywhere you go. 40 degrees heading over to Arlington right now, along with the Lido right now in Springtown coming in at 38. So a very chilly late morning. That will be the case into the afternoon. Highs not getting out of the 40s later today. Lower 40s, I think, farther east, where the rain will be a little more widespread and continue through the afternoon hours. A little warmer in our western counties. I think less so with the rain, and we'll start to clear out from west to east by the afternoon heading on into this evening. So we'll see some lower 50s as we get out toward Breckenridge and our counties a little farther west. So here's what it looks like on the satellite radar composite now. You see how widespread the rain and storms that erupted along well down to our southeast and along the southeast Texas a little bit earlier this morning. All that is lifting to the north and east, and the snow on the backside of that mixture of the wintry mix that we've been talking about, that will lift on into Oklahoma. And as temperatures warm, again, we'll get that transition over to all rain as it works its way to the east. So with our timecast, we'll still see some rain left over as we head into the early afternoon, but it pushes into our eastern counties by mid to late afternoon. You see around 4 p.m. I do think that will be winding down, and we'll start to see the skies clearing as we head on into the evening hours. And the clear skies, the light winds, it will be a cold night tonight before those temperatures do begin to recover as we head into tomorrow. So we'll dip down into the 30s once again tomorrow morning, but look at those daytime highs on Wednesday afternoon. We'll be up around 60 degrees, close to 70 as we head into Thursday. And then that strong cold front we've been talking about moves in Thursday night. So we'll begin to see some rain developing across the area, and that wintry mix once again with those highs not getting out of the 40s on Friday. So here's how it will look with our timecast going into Friday morning. We'll have some light rain around, and it will be cold and windy as well, with the colder air spilling in behind the front. And then we'll see that transition over to the wintry mix. We'll have some sleet, maybe a brief change over to some freezing rain and snow in our northwestern counties as well by midday on Friday. That will continue into the afternoon with that wintry mix down toward the Metroplex, and then that begins to push farther east as we get into Friday evening. That will be an end to the precip. We'll clear out once again, and then we're talking about widespread freezing temperatures as we head into Saturday morning. So the better chances for that wintry precip and travel issues will be in our northwestern counties, but we could see some of that around the Metroplex. So we'll be keeping an eye on that for you as we head into Friday. Again, those temperatures will be quite cold Friday morning, dipping down into the upper 20s, but we'll warm into the low 50s on Saturday, even warmer on Sunday as we spring forward, and we're looking at some 70s as we get into next week. We'll have more midday after this.